Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery with an exhibition of my landscapes that are recent. This is maybe my favorite of the bunch to start out with. I'm trying to shimmer that at you. It's getting too late in the day. This is a video that may only air on the members only channel, but I put fireflies in the background after I did the initial grass and I really liked it. These are my two books available on the Amazon link underneath. Show more. Great Christmas presents. The first and the second 100 videos that I created for YouTube. All the tools and processes. Still fully relevant right now. And if you purchase the soft cover, you'll have access to a $9.99 ebook with all of the links automatically provided to you. So I've got about 24 other paintings to share with you as quickly as possible. That one's got a little, that one's mixed media. And I'm hoping I can get all of this one in, and I'm going to have to adjust. Oh, where am I going to put that? I wasn't ready for that. I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit. I think you can see that. That's better than I thought it would be. This has amazing colors in the little forests here on the rock ledges. I love this. These next three are repeats. This is a collage I did that I'm completely enamored of, and if I don't sell it, it's fine. You should make a note of the time you see what you're interested in if you have a purchase in mind, and let me know. The prices should be under the video. If they're not, you may inquire through my email address. It's easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Make sure to include the title of the video, the exhibition video you saw what was of interest to you in, and the time you saw the painting. This one I'm not sure about. It may not be done. It's got great texture in it, and I love the drama of the sky, but it's a little too flat on, so I don't know why I keep putting it in there, honestly. This is another skin collage. Very shimmery. Lots of fun. Very, very. Lots of great texture in there. And that could probably, sans cat hair, come out. I got the cat hair out. Yay! Here's I've combined the flower or garden or weedy garden type videos with the, excuse me, there's pretty much a video for everything, or 99%. Hopefully other things have been in focus. This was done with house paint and leftover paints for the garden part. This is this was I believe it was a palette knife transfer, but I don't promise that I'm 100% accurate on that. I love this. I really love the abstract quality of it. I have a little tiny painting, the only one of its size. I believe it's a 10 by 10, but I could check really quickly. Yes, it's a 10 by 10, and it's kind of subtle, but it's got really nice shimmer in the bottom. Not a lot of it, but really nice. This is the flowers that I love these. And the purple has great shimmer in it. Hopefully I'm finding a way to show that to you. Here are some 12 by 16s. That was a 10 by 20. Make a note of the time. You see what you're interested in. Let me make sure we're focused and in the right place. There we go. Let's move that up there. That's better. My camera's ability to focus on what I want is not what it used to be. It's time to return it to the repair shop and see what they can do. This is my favorite autumn piece ever. Which reminds me, I had a couple of other pieces that might have gone in here. The leaves. The autumn leaves are in in with the 16 by 20s exhibition video. And that is a damp rag, very lightly damp. I love the shades in the clouds. And this is a wonderful, I love this seascape. It's just so simple and stripy and beautiful. And this is just completely bizarre. And I like bizarre too. Bizarre is good. I'm gonna bring some other paintings over. And I think there are a bunch of weedy gardens coming up. Did I shimmer that at you? It has some house paint in there, I believe. I believe the orange was house paint. Oh, there's one of my ammonites. I think there's a couple of them. Shimmery and wonderful. You should look around. There should be some more exhibition videos, one for all the 14 by 14s. Hopefully from one direction the shimmers. I think this is the best direction. I'm not positive though. This was a two-stage painting. The background came first. The next day I added that bloom that I'm absolutely enamored of. I love that bloom. I like the colored background so much I want to do more of these. And the shimmer in the bottom is amazing. It's just, oh, it's delicious. I believe some of that's the golden maple. Some of it might be the orange peel with gold sparkle. I'd like to add that. I love this multicolored background just as much. I'm hoping I can get through all of these. And I have another. Oh, did I shimmer that at you? Anyway, so this is a series because I had leftovers, and it starts with that 12 by 12, moves on to this 12 by 16. And we'll be joined by another 12 by 16. They have a little bit of shimmer, but not what I would call the same as the Colourarte or the Prizm Pours or the Primary Elements. I'm a Colourarte affiliate. If I didn't mention, there's a 20% off coupon code that you can find directly under the video. It'll take you right to Colourarte. And because I'm an affiliate, your purchases do help me out some. It takes a little while, but it does help. And I appreciate it. Alright, let's see what I can see. Oh, we're still square. Wow, I'm getting better at this, I guess. So this has wonderful shimmer in the bottom. And I hope I'm not tipping it too high, because I noticed when I went up really high, all you got was glare. I did a couple videos yesterday and there was just too much glare, too much dust, too much dog hair, too much everything, and I'll probably put them on my other two channels, Fluid Art Obsession, or the other one. The one I'm not remembering right now. Oh. I brought with me, other than this little one, right here, which you'll probably see in the 8x8s, as well as here, because why not? I brought one that was from a long time ago that I had to rediscover, and it didn't have a file number or anything, and I'm so proud of myself for getting organized slowly, very slowly but surely. Steadily though. Alright, my last three square paintings, and then we'll move on to some rounds. That was a 14 by 14, and so are these. I love this. It's a little raggedy, but it's so charming. I love this. I just totally love it. And am I in the right position? No, I'm not. That's the way I like it. That way. I love this. Sometimes I look at these and I think I should put another, I should do a second stage to that. And I could. I've got all these paintings and it could happen. So if you like something, snag it when you see it. I would love to sell my artwork. It would be really, really helpful to keep the studio rolling. Which reminds me, thank you to everyone who makes donations through the PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of the YouTube channel banner. And thank you to all my new members who are enjoying the 60+ members only library. Let me grab those rounds. Those are heavy. They're also very expensive. So, like I said, I truly appreciate you guys helping me out. I would like to do a few more like this, and when I have a little bit of dust, it's easy enough. See, I don't use any water in my paint, generally speaking. Sometimes about 2% in the medium black. But a damp cloth will clean off most of these. And the Josonia glass varnish that I'm using in things means that they dry very glassy and beautiful. I don't know if you can see that. I wish you could. It's very glassy in the bottom. Oh, more need for a damp cloth. Nice. I love the landscape in this. It's awesome. Just almost as much as I love it in that. I've got a few more here. I've got something left over from a while ago too. Let me get organized for a moment. I hope we have enough time for everything. This is favorite. When I have paint chips stuck, I check my stuff before I ship it. I promise it'll be in the best condition I can possibly make it if you decide to order a piece of artwork. And the back will be finished with brown paper and a label and hanging hardware. This was a redo, and I wasn't 100% positive that it was the best possible thing I could have done, but I really, really like it. So I'm all good with that. And this is a shovel pour, which I adore. And I want it that way up. I'm not sure if you've seen any of these before. I think I'm like 160 paintings behind, although I'm closing the gap. Totally. I love my shovel pours. I don't think anyone does them like I do them. I'm not even sure anyone does them. I hope people start to do them because they are so much fun. Just fill in. Put the shovel down with the paint in it and fill in. I may have an advantage having years of artistic background behind me, but I still think that you'll have fun. It's always good to paint the background black. Alright, I think that this is a 12-inch round, and this is a perfect example of something that I left the background, the pillow paint too heavy on, and it got some crazing, and I used some color to fill in a little bit. Maybe this isn't the one I'm thinking of. In any case, it's still beautiful, whatever it is. I said that was 12. I think that's a 10-inch round. I think this is a 12-inch round. And you do get some of these crazes when I wasn't as experienced as I am now. Paint chips. Paint chips that have to go. This is the one I was thinking of. Last but not least, this one had a lot of crazing, and I basically covered the whole entire surface with that beautiful, beautiful purple color, and then just wiped it down. So it's very glassy and very rich and very beautiful. So I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. Look for more exhibition videos. Check out my link tree for my website, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Facebook group is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group. My email address I gave you, it's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I would love to sell my art. My playlist's number 28 with 100 on each or more, on the last one at least, and everything is separated by topic and genre also. And I have all the links saved for easy access, and if you need help getting one, please don't hesitate to ask. It's not a problem. Your questions are always welcome. My paint pouring recipes are below any videos that aren't exhibition videos, but you can always ask a question if you need to. When you watch my videos longer, you help me out. Your comments help me out. Your thumbs up help me out. And when you share, you help me out. So thank you guys. Season's greetings, no matter what season it is. I hope you're doing well. I'll see you anon. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week. And I love you all. You inspire the heck out of me. Still. Bye for now. Priscilla out.